Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for clicking this video. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, it's morning and it's on 28th. So today I just want to do general cleaning here and there at our house. I want to take you through how I'm going to clean the house. It's very dirty. It's been 2 weeks without washing of any of clothes in this house, so you can imagine how messy the clothes are. And I don't have a washing machine. I'm just going to use my hands to wash. So let me show you the amount of clothes, of dirty clothes that I'm having here. Okay, yeah, so the clothes are too much, but I'm sure I'll be done by, it's now 9 a.m, but I'm sure by 12 a.m I'll be done. In future, if God bless us, we're going to buy a washing machine, and I am sure the laundry will be easy to be done. Okay, yeah, so let's do this. So guys, this is the duvet, the sheets. Other clothes are here in the laundry basket. Here we have other clothes, as you can see. Oh my god, this clothes too much. Yeah, so I don't know when I'm going to be done, but I'm sure by 12 noon I'll be done. I have my 2 big basins there, and the other one is here. This bucket I'm going to soak the white cloth with, then I'll wash them with the jig. And also I'm going to wash the curtains. Sorry, to wash the curtains and wash the living room mat. So it's a lot, but I'm sure I'll be done by noon. So let's do this, guys, very fast. And so I am done cleaning the clothes. I thought I'll be done by say 12 noon, but now it's 7:10 in the noon. Yes, so here you can see the cleaning was thorough. The clothes were too many, but I'm happy I am done. I am heading up there. Guys, this is what I've been telling you. It's 700 and it's too much. Yes. So guys, this is my mini refrigerator organization. See, check it. Kaje babe. Kora greens. Healthy living. Don't ask me haina soda, haina nini. We are practicing healthy living. Okay guys.
Haina sukuma.
Sukuma nitaendea mtaani ni shilingi 10. See you on our next video. Bye bye.